In this bowl I have some, this would be making the duff. I have some butter, salt, sugar, okay, baking powder. I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons, 1 pound of flour, okay, fresh grated coconut. I'm gonna squeeze this and then add it. I have 1 tablespoon of the grated coconut, the husk. I didn't squeeze out any milk out of it. Just gonna add into the flour to make the duff, along with some coconut milk, okay. Again, this is sweet potato, Yoka or cassava, torn plantain. I have some corn, eddos, okay, and this is some red snapper that I already seasoned up, ready to fry. I have some tomato, onion, parsley, red onion, bell pepper, scallion, okay. So all the provision is in the pot. I'm gonna salt it up or spice it up. I have some black pepper, I have some cube powder, and some salt, stir and let it boil, okay. If you need anything else according to your taste, you can add, okay. Remember, you always taste before you add. The torn plantain will be added when the provision gets soft, okay. This is torn plantain. Bust this dough and I will be back. So after placing all the ingredients into the one bowl, I add the coconut oil, which is 1 tablespoon, and again I will be listing all the ingredients in the description bar down below. I'm gonna combine everything together, and then I'm gonna add there's some warm coconut. I just warmed the coconut milk, okay. I'm gonna add the warm coconut milk into the flour, and then I'm gonna use the spoon and mix it. And then after, when I finish using the spoon, then I'm gonna turn to my fingers, okay. Stay tuned. So I'm trying to get all the dough together, okay. In this bowl I have some carrots, bell pepper, onion, and scallion, which I blend up very finely, and I'm going to mix it into this dough. And again, this is optional, okay. And I'm going to let it for rest a little 5 minutes, and then I'm going to bust it, okay. So all the provision is in the pot. I'm going to salt it up or spice it up. I have some black pepper, I have some cube powder, and some salt, stir and let it boil, okay. If you need anything else according to your taste, you can add, okay. Remember, you always taste before you add. The torn plantain will be added when the provision gets soft, okay. This is torn plantain. Bust this dough and I will be back. This is what when the finish would look like, okay. I'm gonna open one of these duff and let you see inside of it.